Today we are going to talk about Unilever's debut inside the metaverse with his four brand, what they are doing and what is their game plan. Hello everyone and welcome to our channel Metaverse Simplified. I am Vishal and in this channel we are going to simplify a lot of concepts around metaverse, and soon we are also going to do a lot of video on what the brands are doing and various use cases in this field. Please do subscribe to our channel because we are making a lot of content around metaverse, web3 and NFT every week. So please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. A lot of brands are jumping into the bandwagon of metaverse, and Unilever, being one of the largest advertisers, has joined the league and is going to explore the metaverse. So without wasting any further time, let's deep dive.
Number 1, Rexona deodorant brand, also known as Degree or Sure, went ahead with their use case of a cause campaign to announce the world's first adaptive deodorant designed for people with disabilities. In April 2022, they partnered with Decentraland to host a Degree Marathon, which is sort of a virtual marathon. Here, the first ever adaptive wearable were introduced, like wheelchair and running blades, to offer greater representation of people with disability. With this move, the brand did its debut inside Metaverse while partnering with Decentraland. Number 2, Close Up. The popular oral care brand launched its virtual experience in the name of City of Love in March 2022 in Decentraland to let people express their love to each other inside the metaverse. Talk about love being forever, they also let the user mint as NFT their marriage certificate to immortalize their love on the blockchain. And now that sounds like some true forever love. With this experience, they got a lot of engagement. A lot of people came into the platform and minted their certificate of love and marriage through their NFT inside Decentraland. Number 3, Magnum. The popular ice cream brand opened a virtual exhibition in Decentraland where the users can also order a Magnum from a vending machine in the metaverse, and it was delivered at their real physical location, which is supported by Deliveroo. This is definitely going to give us a sneak peek into the future of virtual commerce or shopping, with Magnum again debuting their metaverse through Decentraland. Number 4, Sunsilk, who partnered with Roblox with a mission to open up possibilities for girls everywhere, with an gaming as a clear passion point for Gen Zs. Sunsilk City inside Roblox or the Metaverse platform is a space where girls can feel included, engage with real life role models, and learn about Sunsilk's range of training program for the real world skill. It saw close to 21 million users so far, being top 2 most upvoted brand experience inside Roblox.
This brings us to the end of today's video. So if you liked our video, please do hit the like item. Please do share this among your friends who are equally excited about this topic, and please do subscribe to our channel. If you want us to make video on any particular topic, or if you have any feedback, please do let us know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching.